Good morning, friends. This is Dr. Vipul Kapoor. I take this opportunity to congratulate all you students for entering into semester 5 now. So, I welcome you all in semester 5. You know that we are all passing through a very terrible period of COVID 19, and because of this COVID 19, we are not in a position to take the regular classes at the college. But as per the guidelines of the government, we have decided to start the online classes for now. So from today onwards, we are going to start the classes of the Department of English of our college. In this lecture today, I am going to give you some introductory idea about the syllabus that you are going to study in this semester. Friends, you know that in semester 5, your all papers will be the papers of English language and literature. In total, you are going to study 7 papers. First paper is that of foundation course in English, and the remaining 6 papers are related to English literature and language. Today, I request you all to please note down the syllabus and try to understand and make a plan for the whole semester, that how you are going to move ahead to study this. First of all, let me talk about the foundation course in English. The text that you have to study in this paper, foundation, is essays and one act plays. Total 40 marks are assigned to this text. This text is a collection of some very popular essays and some very popular one act plays. After that, you have to study comprehension and composition. In this comprehension and composition, there are 3 titles. One, that is idioms, a list of so many idioms is given to you, and 10 marks are assigned to these idioms. Second thing that you are going to study in this paper is essay writing. Now, the art of essay writing is not a new topic for all of you, because you have been writing essays right from the beginning when you were the students of primary section, students of high school section. You all know and you have studied how to write the essays. So essay writing is there in this paper, and 10 marks are assigned to this essay writing. And the next and most important thing is questionnaire. And this questionnaire is related to socio-economic and educational matters. Friends, let me give you some brief idea about the questionnaire. Questionnaire is nothing but a group of questions that you have to prepare. When any person is doing some survey, when a person is doing some research, he or she has to collect some data on the basis of which he or she will do the research in future. So to collect the data, one has to prepare a questionnaire which is a group of questions. So in this paper, you will study how to form such questions, what type of questions are included in such questionnaires. All these things you will study in this paper. But we must also remember that this questionnaire must be related to socio and economic matters. It may also be related to some educational topics that we will study in detail later on. So in short, as far as your foundation English is concerned, remember there is one text, that is essays and one act plays. The syllabus you can see on the screen. Apart from that, there are 3 topics of comprehension and composition, and these are idioms, essay writing and questionnaires. Now you can see there is a whole list of idioms on your screen. There are about how many? There are about 50 idioms which you have to prepare. Idioms, their meanings and how it can be used in your sentences. This in detail we will study later on, but this is what I wanted to tell you about the foundation course. Don't worry if you cannot note down these things right now. I think I have already sent the copy of this syllabus to you, the PDF file, and if you have still yet not received that copy, then you may contact me on my WhatsApp. I can send the PDF file to you. Now friends, let's talk about the core papers. As I told you, you are going to study 6 papers in this semester, and these all 6 papers are related to English literature and language. As far as paper number 11, CCE 11 is concerned, this paper is devoted to the study of the plays of William Shakespeare. Then you have paper number 12, which is devoted to literary criticism. And to study this literary criticism, the text which is assigned to you by the university is The Making of Literature, written by R.A. Scott James. In paper number 13, we shall study the English language and Chaucer. Actually, this paper is related to the study of language. how language is originated and how English language has originated, and we will also study Chaucer. I will talk about these things later on in detail. In paper number 14, we shall study a little portion of the history of English literature starting from 16th century to the 18th century, which is also known as the Elizabethan age and neoclassical age. So 16th to 18th century, the history of English literature, in which you will study Christopher Marlowe, John Milton, John Donne, Joseph Addison and Samuel Richardson. This is unit number 1. In unit number 2, you will study one play, one tragedy, a very beautiful, interesting tragedy written by Christopher Marlowe, an Elizabethan playwright. And this play, this tragedy, is the tragical history of Dr. Faustus. This is going to be a very interesting paper. After that, we will study Indian poetics in paper number 15. This textbook, Indian Poetics, is written by V.S. Sethuraman. Particularly in this Indian Poetics, we are going to focus the 4 areas: Rasa, Alankara, Dhvani and Vakrokti. This we will discuss later on. And in paper number 16, we will study non-British masters. Means here you are not going to study the British literature or English literature. Here you are going to study some portion of American literature, in which you will study a play written by J. M. Synge, and the title of the play is Playboy of the Western World, in unit number 1. In unit number 2, you will study The Stranger. It is a novel written by Albert Camus. Okay, so this is something you should know about the syllabus. I hope you are all clear about the syllabus. Let me go up, and here we are. Foundation course. There is a text called Essays and One-Act Plays. Then you have idioms, essay writing and questionnaire. As far as idioms are concerned, you have to focus on these 50 idioms prescribed to you by the university. Okay. Now, paper number 11, William Shakespeare's 2 plays are there, Romeo and Juliet and the Tragedy of King Lear.